Today, I'm going to take you through how to work a half double crochet / single crochet decrease. This is a hybrid decrease. A hybrid decrease is a decrease made up of two different stitches that combine two or more stitches into one stitch. This hybrid stitch, the half double crochet / single crochet decrease, is worked across two stitches and combines two stitches into one stitch, starting with a half double crochet stitch, finishing with a single crochet stitch. So to work this, there are two options, one of which holds fewer loops on the hook and makes a slightly looser stitch, and the other holds more loops on the hook and it makes a slightly tighter stitch. I would recommend option 2 versus option 1. These options occurred early on in my designing. It was recommended to me to have fewer loops held on the hook because more loops held on the hook was overwhelming for someone who was giving me feedback, and I wanted to make my patterns accessible to that person and anyone else who might have that issue. So I made it so that you could work both of these options, but I really prefer option 2, which is more loops held on the hook, making a tighter stitch. So option 1 is to yarn over. We're going to start with that half double crochet, and we're going to insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's the start of a half double crochet. If we wanted to finish that half double crochet, we would pull that loop through the last available loop on the hook, but we're not completing it yet because we want to work this as a decrease. So then you're going to insert your hook into the next available stitch to start that second leg of the decrease with a single crochet. We're going to yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through. The beauty of this hybrid decrease is that the starting leg is a little taller and the finishing leg is a little shorter, so it pulls the decrease slightly skewed to one side. And that's helpful with a number of scenarios for shaping, but especially if there is a set of short rows and you are climbing the stairs of previous rows with short rows. The half double crochet can start at the bottom of a step and the single crochet can finish at the top of the step, which makes for a smooth transition from a lower place to a higher place. So again, to work a half double crochet / single crochet decrease, we're going to yarn over with option 1, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's the start of the half double crochet. Then we're going to insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over for 4 loops on the hook and you pull that through all loops. To work option 2 with more loops held on the hook and a tighter stitch, we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. We're not going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is what it would look like if we were waiting to complete a half double crochet. We just have 3 loops on the hook, then you'd yarn over and pull that through all the loops. So we're going to leave it incomplete by leaving those 3 loops on the hook. Then we're going to insert the hook into the next available stitch to start the second leg of the decrease with the single crochet, yarn over, pull up. You should have 4 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over for 5 loops on the hook, and we're going to pull that through all 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That makes for a slightly denser decrease stitch. We're going to do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up. We're going to leave those 3 loops on the hook. Insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. That is a half double crochet / single crochet decrease worked in 2 different options. I hope that helps.